President celebrated by Sri AZANG RONGMEI, President Zeliangrong Union, Assam, Manipur, and Nagaland.
Good morning. Today, I stand before you feelings an immense sense of pride and gratitude as we gather here to celebrate something truly special, that is the centenary celebration of the ZU. I am deeply grateful to Almighty God for this beautiful day, also bringing us together and guiding us throughout the journey. It is a blessing to be able to witness this remarkable milestone. I extend my warm welcome to each and every one of you gathered here. A special greeting to our honorable chief guest of the function, Professor Majilung Kamson, former Home Minister of State for Home Affairs in Government of India and former President Zeliangrong Naga Union. Our chief host, Sri Gaikangam, former Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur, and our esteemed guests of honor, Sri Thaithurung Panmai, IS, Commissioner Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Manipur, Sri Joseph Pauline Kamson, IS, Secretary Economic and Statistics, Manipur. And I wish to acknowledge my ex-presidents, my vice-presidents, and my colleagues, Zeliangrong Union Journal chairmen and their colleagues, Union Chief Justice and his colleagues, Union Chagwat Form Goodwill Mission convener and his colleagues, distinguished guests, civil organizations in Manipur, all the civil organizations in Manipur leaders, Zeliangrong organization leaders, women leaders, youth leaders, student leaders, Zeliangrong intellectuals, church leaders, and Rongmei Naga Council, Impal Longlands, and their colleagues, President Kama and her colleagues, Japa President and his colleagues, Sangaiprou Pay elders, Sangaiprou Development Committee members, Sangaiprou women, youths, and my beloved and most importantly, Zeliangrong elders from Manipur, Assam, Nagaland, and my sister and brothers from the three states. As I look around this conference, I see familiar faces, some who have walked this journey for many years and others who are newer but not less important to our shared future. I feel deep sense of connection to each of you. We are bounded by our heritage, our dream for the future, and love for our community. As we stand here today, I'm not just the number of years of our collective history we celebrated, but the weight of history, the trials, the trumps, and 100 years ago, the vision was born. A vision for unity, resilience, and a better future for our people. Our forefathers, with their wisdom and foresight, laid the foundation of what has become the Zeliangrong Union today. On January 15, 1957, the headman of 40 villages gathered for the first formal conference of our tribe. It was here that they spoke of the unity, the need for unity, the importance of collective economic future, and the necessity for the uniformity of our customary law. This meeting led to the formation of a regular gathering known as AZANG RONGMEI meetings, where we are, as a people, sought solution, resolved inter-village dispute, and acted as the apex customary court of appeal for cases above the pay guide. This was one of the earliest modern tribal organizations in the Northeast India. And I don't want to go details in the nomenclature of the Zeliangrong Union, plus some historical events which we have to work out together. That one, please look into my presidential message in the souvenir, because I want to cut it down the time here. As we celebrated this pivotal movement, this century celebration served as a movement for us to reflect, reconnect, and re-envision our future. I stand here today filled with gratitude for what we have accomplished together. Yes, there have been struggles, and yes, there have been setbacks. The work has not been easy, but there also had been incredible progress. In my tenure as a president of Zeliangrong Union, I have focused on two key areas. That is, the completion of the Jew buildings in Imphal and Bishnupur. Two, formation of the unified apex body for our people living in Assam, Manipur, and Nagaland. Regarding our office at Kakulong, Imphal was originally inaugurated by our legendary veteran fighter of India, Rani Gaidelu, in 1986. After that, no construction was built. That ground floor construction also built under our ZNU President Professor Meizilung. Then over up nearly 26 years, the building construction committee was formed under the able leadership of our ex-acting president, AZANG Rongmei. Under his able leadership, the second building of Jew building at Imphal is completed. Only wall portion in front of the building were to be completed. Additionally, the Zeliangrong Union, Bisdipur and Sadar area office, which had been incomplete for the last 35 years, was finished under Po Asin Thaimai, President Jupsa, and inaugurated in 2024. These accomplishments are more just than structure. They represent our resilient dedication, progress, this is a monumental step, but the work isn't done yet. We are steadily moving towards realizing this goal through the effect of many. We still have much to decide and to create. But this is the beginning. The beginning is full of promise and hope. I call upon the Zeliangrong civil organization and cognate tribes, Jemai Naga Council, Lengmei Naga Council, Rongmei Naga Council, Inpui Naga Union, and Kabui Union Manipur, to join hands with us in building a unified apex body, to come together, engage in dialogue, and forge a unified path forward for the generation to come. We have been divided by history, separated by division with differing priority and opinions, but our future will be defined by our ability to stand together as one. We can no longer afford to be divided. Now is the time to work together for the good of our people. The challenges we face today, cultural preservation, economic development, and social cohesion, demand we come together as one, not just in name, but in action. The door of Zeliangrong Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland remain open, and we are committed to forging a path forward together. Let's today be more than just a reflection of our past. Let us serve as a call to action, a call for unity. The future is not something we wait for. It is something we create together. To the youths, women, and readers and intellectuals and everyone gathered here, the legacy we inherited is a gift, but it is also a responsibility. We must protect it, nurture it, pass it on to the next generation, ensuring that the work we do today become the foundation for tomorrow. We must commit building a brighter for the next generation. As we move forward, let this centenary mark the beginning of the new chapter in our collective story and filled with hope, unity, and success. May it guide us towards a future of strength, peace, and progress. Our strength is our unity. Thank you.